So ngayon, check tayo. In your 20s, you have a lot of time. Are you maximizing that time? Bright blessed day everyone. So welcome again to our morning walks. But this time, this will be our morning drive. So our topic for today, I'd like to talk about the lessons that I should have known when I was in my 20s. Well, first of all, let's talk about yung life when you're in your 20s. So you just graduated from school, you get hired, no? And building a career. What you have right now as a resource is your time, no? Time. Actually, lahat naman tayo, but you have a lot of this. No, sabi nga, you are a time billionaire. No, because you have a long time ahead of you. So might as well think of ways on how to convert that time, no, and make a living out of it, make profit, no? Sabi nga, from time, gawin mo ngayong talent, no? So, ibig sabihin nun, convert your time para mag-aral ka. Mag-aral ka to skill up, no? So, yun, from time, gawin mo siyang talent. That's why, di ba guys, you start, lahat naman tayo in this system. So go to school, that's a normal. Go to school, get a job, and then build a career out of it, and then, yeah, build a life out of it. So, going back, ganon, no? Education muna. So education, that's converting your time, but that's a lot of time, no? 15 years ng buhay mo, nasa school ka. No, so that's a lot of time. But the purpose there is to learn a skill, get a job, get a career, and then make a living out of that. Oh, that's the traditional way. Now, 15 years in school, that's a lot of time to skill up. Ngayon, 'di ba? YouTube University, you learn a lot, no? Ngayon, it takes shorter time, no, to learn a skill. No, some of the richest people nga has, I think, uh, na-appreciate nila to early in life, 'di ba? Na hindi mo naman kailangan uh, mag-attend ng, even college to be successful in life. I'm not saying, no, bihira lang din naman 'yun, 'di ba? Si Steve Jobs, si Bill Gates, no? Hindi sila nag-graduate ng college, no? But these are, a bunch of extraordinary people. But I'm just saying, ngayon, you can skill up, learn things just through online, no? Lalo na ngayon, may AI pa. 'Di ba? You've heard of ChatGPT. So may co-pilot ka na. Yung teacher sa college ngayon, baka, 'di ba, pwede nang mapalitan din eh, no? But caution lang, of course, you have to be discerning. So let's go back to what we want to talk about. So time, that time is converted into skills. So time plus talent now, okay? Yun ang magre-result into treasures, meaning money, profit, no? So you can attain whatever goal you have in this life. Okay? So, ang first resource mo, God-given resource, is time. Okay, time. So, time ngayon, di ba? Actually, yun nga, pag naging empleyado ka na, pag graduate mo, come to think of it, your employer pays not just your skill, but pays for your time. Tama ba? Because you will work 8 hours, 9 hours a day, 'di ba, for an employer, for you to earn a living. 'Di ba? Araw-araw yung 8 oras, man, 'di ba? 9 hours. I did that for more than 2 decades. No? Well, it was a bittersweet experience, no? And yeah, marami naman akong natutunan doon. But still going back, it's really about yung earning. It's you convert your time, 'di ba, into treasure. Now, to enhance that, mas maganda kung may skill ka, 'di ba? So may skill ka, which is, sabi ko nga, time plus talent equals treasure. No? So ngayon, check tayo. In your 20s, you have a lot of time. Are you maximizing that time? Yan ang tanong, 'di ba? So you're employed, okay. You earn a living, pambayad ng renta, pambayad ng utilities, pambayad ng araw-araw na expenses, pagkain. So you make a living, no? But is it enough? No? So you're devoting 8 hours of your time. Your company is buying 9 hours of your life every day. No? So put a value in that. Magkano yung sweldo mo? Magkano ka binabayaran per hour? No? So this notion, this concept about 9-hour work week, no, I think was invented during the industrial age, no? Si Henry Ford nagpauso niyan, no? Pero ngayon, meron ng 4-hour work week, 'di ba? Si Tim Ferriss. So iba na ngayon because you have a lot of leverage. So yun ang isa. Use leverage. So one leverage is technology, 'di ba? Sa technology, ito one leverage is YouTube, Facebook, social media, TikTok. So these are all leverage. That's why you can now afford to work 1-2 hours a day because of this. So it's up to you. It's a choice. Sabi ko nga, okay, you get paid 9 hours a day, you devote your time, you get paid, binabayaran yan ng company mo sa'yo, pero after that, the choice is yours. Diba? Kasi predictable na eh. Alam na, diba, kung magkano ang kikitain mo even for the year if you are employed. So, yun. Okay? That's talking about time. Your most precious resource, the basic resource that you will start with sa buhay mo. No? Okay? Now, the first T is time. The second T is talent. No? So, time, diyan ka mag-uumpisa, that's your most basic resource. No? How to convert that, how to maximize it, no, will lie in the next T, no, to enhance your earning capacity, no, to build, no, a successful life, a satisfying life. Okay, so paano ba nag-work yon? Okay, treasure. So time, convert mo, 'di ba? Enhance mo, mag-aral ka ng mga skills that are profitable. 'Di ba? Yung will make you money in the future. Okay, congratulations because you now have a job. But most probably that job, lalo na kung nag-start ka, will not be enough. No, yung earnings mo dyan, will just make you a living but it will not make you a fortune. If you want to make a fortune, again, you have to maximize your time. So learn, skill up. No, ngayon, ang dami na. Use technology, YouTube, diba, university. Yan ang mga, hindi lang uso, but it works, guys. No, biro mo, the knowledge of humanity in one platform, the experience, hindi lang knowledge in one platform, is there for you. It's yours for the taking. You just have to be intentional about it. No? So kung ano yung hilig mo, search mo lang, no? In fact, yung algorithm ng YouTube is really impressive, no? So it will really benefit you. So that's one. Ano pa? ChatGPT AI now, guys. No, we are now in the future. So this is a co-pilot, no? There are a lot of talks about AI, but as a ComSci guy, no, it's just another tool. Yung mga danger, sci-fi, everything, yes, Meron naman talagang danger sa any technology. But even nuclear technology, di ba? That's 1940s. But humanity is able to tame it. So AI, in my IMHO, IMHO, in my humble opinion, would be like that. No? It will be tamed. Otherwise, it can be used for destructive uh, applications or use. So anyway, leverage AI para constructive, 'di ba? It can be your co-pilot, no, in creating something, no? It's a co-creator. It's a tool, no? It's a tool. Efficiency lang ang usapan diyan. So learn AI, learn coding, learn videography, photography, learn how to edit. Nasa YouTube lahat. Ako nga naka-Premiere Pro sa inyo, 'di ba? Pero mga basic, 'di ba? But gusto mo ng effects, all the bells and whistles, Google, YouTube, tuturuan ka. Kaya pa sa marunong kang magbasa at umintindi at meron kang growth mindset, then you're good. Okay? So yan. So learn. Talent. Kailangan mo ng talento. Pero talento na relevant. Diba? Relevant sa gusto mong mangyari. O katulad doon, nakita mo yung Porsche na yon? Okay. So kita mo siya? Because he converted his time, no? Talent into treasure. O baka sa tatay niya yun. So, so ganun din because the previous generation has prepared for it. Now, yeah, they can afford that thing. Okay, so now anyways, going back, gets guys? So, time, tapos na tayo doon, but time doesn't stop, no? It continues, that's why learning should also continue. 'Di ba? So, enhance mo yun every day. No, kahit isang learning, isang skill lang natututunan mo, it will compound. So, shout out to Atomic Habits na book, no? Galing din nun. So, small things done every day compounds. Kaya nga atomic, di ba? Nuclear yan eh. Makita mo the power of the atom sa sobrang liit, pero 'di ba? Merong proseso paano siya naha-harness, then it becomes powerful. So ganun din yung mga habit natin, no? Kaya nga atomic habit. So going back, kung habit mo learning a new skill, no? At the end of the day, tignan mo ano yung natututunan mo, then that's it. No? Make it profitable. It has to be intentional, by the way. Hindi lang kung ano-anong pinagkakaabalahan mo. Unless, of course, it's to enhance your... I mean, it enhances your life. Hindi naman lahat financial benefits lang. Diba? So, learn something na hobby, diba? Or skill. So, mas maganda yon yung interest mo. Kasi, one of the first things that you have to solve in this life, no, is the problem of money. Pag kasi you have resources, financial resources, no, maganda yung term nung isang kausap ko before, he is a scion, is an apo of a billionaire. So ito, apo siya ng isang banker who sold his bank in Binondo. Yan. They sold the bank and made money out of it, of course, billions. Ang term niya is financial firepower. Financial firepower, no? So, what is financial firepower? Yun mismo, no? You can do anything without thinking about, your day-to-day living because you have firepower, financial firepower. Meaning you can focus on your interest, ano yung gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo. No? So, you have to solve that first, the problem of money. Pag meron ka pag na-solve mo na yon, then, no, you can pretty much do anything, and I hope it's worthwhile gagawin mo. No? Kasi, on the other hand, if you have that financial firepower, Ayan ang problema, absolute financial firepower corrupts, no? So anyways, going back, no? You have to solve that problem. And how? Ito yun. Ito yung mga how natin. So, convert your time, enhance it, convert your time into financial resource or money, convert your time to money, and then, ang susunod is, enhance mo yon ng skills, diba? Yung time mo kasi can be used to learn new skills. So, when you learn new skills, then, your capacity to earn will be greater. So, that's a solution, di ba? Sabi ko nga, problem of money can be solved through that. Converting your time into skills. Yung skills, kung high level, lalo na, specialized skills, then better. No, you get paid more. Okay? So, yan. So, basically, time plus talent equals treasure. So, now we go to the final T, treasure. No, treasure. Sabi ko, once you get rich, is not the end. Because rich is temporary. If you are not able to guard it, protect it, multiply it, anticipate things, no, that may affect it, then you're bound to go back to square one, diba? So now, let's talk about treasure. So how to guard, how to protect it. Kasi na-solve mo na diba, yung problem of money. At this point, ang assumption, na-solve mo na siya. You have cash flow coming in, everything, but sabi ko nga, rich is temporary. You have to convert yung financial resources mo ngayon into wealth. Iba yun. No? Iba yung being rich and being wealthy. Being wealthy means anything happens, then hindi maapektuhan, no, yung iyong wealth. So, how do you do that? First is pay careful attention to your wealth, to your resources. Pay careful attention. Ibig sabihin, babantayan mo siya, no? And also, ituturo mo rin sa next generation. Kasi ikaw nga, na-solve mo na pero baka yung mga pinaghirapan mo, no, gano'n na lang mawala kung hindi naturuan yung next generation. So let's talk about yun, generational wealth naman. The first generation has solved the problem of wealth. But the second generation, kasi nakita nila naghirap yung first generation, they grow it pa. But the third generation, eto na, diba, the entitled ones, creates again the problem of money. No? So very seldom yung wealth ng isang family transfers or go beyond the third generation. Why? Because of this cycle. So you have to solve that also. Thankfully, maraming mga family examples naman na na-solve na yon, no? How to transfer the wealth of the first generation. So this treasure will now ensure, diba, that the next generation will have enough. Pero kailangan malinaw yun na, sige, you have enough, but is that okay? Na komportable ka na lang, diba? You don't have any goals, no? Any purpose. So, again, you have to think about those things. Hindi lang tayo nakafocus sa, time, talent, and treasure. But we need to impart it, transfer it to the next generation, no? So, and this is why I'm doing this. Trying to share, no, these realizations about life while we are still in pursuit of, what do you call this, of wealth and solving the problem of money. No? Nandun pa tayo sa proseso, sa stage na yon. But somehow, we had successes and failures that taught us all of these. Diba? Sabi nga, may purpose talaga lahat no? And hopefully, through this vlog, no, I'm able to share some of snippets about, things I've realized throughout these years. Okay, so just to wrap up, time, that's your most precious resource, the basic resource that God gave you. Convert that into treasure. Not only direct sa treasure, you have to enhance it. Time, convert it into talent, skill. Learn a skill, no? So that once you go out to the market, the real world, then, diba, high value ka. High value yung ino-offer mo. You offer value to the world. And then, once you have solved that, treasure mo, serve, protect, grow, no? Grow in wisdom and train the next generation. All of these, guys, easier said than done. But at least I hope I gave you a roadmap. The next generation, somehow, I know some of you will still have to make the same mistakes kasi mas minsan pag na-experience mo mas natututunan eh, no? But I wish you well, no, in your journey. Iba-iba tayo ng adventure. So, carve out a life that has an impact. And I wish you well. Enjoy the journey. I hope you enjoyed the ride. So, see you around. Godspeed.